Hey guys, this review is the Opolar mini space heater. First of all, it's really small, the size of my hand, a medium-sized hand. It has a safe that actually, if it tips, will not operate. Best part about this is really powerful. It's not the traditional 1500 watts kind of heaters that you get in the stores. This is like 600 watts, but it's really powerful. The best part about this is it's got a motion sensor, so if you activate that, it will sense motion of human movement before it, and 2 minutes later it will automatically switch off if it senses no movement. So let's just go ahead and turn this on. Can you hear that? Oh, that's cool. Let me turn this on. I'm holding the camera right now, so I can't really get off the screen to test that sensor, but trust me, it works. I have left it on with that button on, and I went out, used the restroom, came back after like 5-6 minutes, and it was turned off. So it's really good. Space heater, a small one, very durable, well constructed. It's not one of those cheap ones. Go ahead and purchase yours and enjoy the winter.